It's time to go meet the other cat. Okay, he ran away. See, there he is, right there. This one's name is Bullet. He's really scared of pretty much everything. Yeah, he and his, whether are actually brothers, they were born in the same litter. They were adopted at the same time. Adapted to their environments, but Bullet's still a bit more timid. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. I'm friendly. Jeez, alright. I guess you don't want to be pet. Come on. Just, let me pet you. There we go. There you go, buddy. So, yeah. They've been giving him medication for his anxiety because, it's gotten to the point where he would start pissing on the rug because he was so scared. That's worked out for him pretty well. As you can see here, he's much calmer now. Oh, okay. All right. I guess you don't want to do that anymore. Yeah. But yeah, we're pretty good friends with this family, so I guess it's a good thing that, these cats are familiar with us. Oh, yeah. We were supposed to get Bullet outside, but I guess he doesn't want to go outside. Just perfectly fine with me. I mean, he didn't bite me like Wither did, so good job, buddy. You have my respect. Yeah. Alright, that's about it.